Welcome to all in SV Union High School and Junior College. Today we're going to see Standard 6 Subject Computer Lesson number 4 Enlivening a presentation. In this chapter we're going to see animating the text and objects, slide transition, inserting music or sound audio files and printing a presentation. Now we're going to see animation. To make a presentation beautiful and effective, we have to give an effects. That effects will come in the slideshow. That effect is called as an animation effect. Now we're going to see custom animation. It is an effects given to the text and objects present on the slide is called as custom animation. Slide may contain text and images and shapes that are called as an objects. Now here you can see objects. Here you can see star is an object. Then second slide, on that you can see the text. It is written there. That's why it is called as text. Now we're going to see how to give the custom animation effect to these objects. Click on the animation, then we have to select custom animation. After selecting custom animation, we have to select object present on the slide. Here star you can see. Click on the star, then we have to click on the add effect tab. After clicking on add effect tab, we getting the effect list. In that we have to click on entrance, then we have to click the effect, that is diamond effect given to the star. Now we can give second effect, another effect to star. For that we have to click again on add effect, then we have to select the second one effect tab, that is emphasis. After selecting emphasis, we getting the list over there. From that we can select any one effect that we want. Here we can select the effect, that is spin effect. In this way you can see two effects are given to the star which is present on the first slide. You can see the preview of the effects by clicking on play button, and you can see the slideshow of that slide by clicking on slideshow button. Also you can change the order of an effects by clicking on reorder button. Now in the same manner we can give effect to the objects present on the second slide. Now in the same way we click on add effect, then we click on emphasis, then we click on spin effect, then that spin effect will be given to the object, that is SV Union High School and Junior College. We can add another effects to the same object by clicking on again add effect, then selecting any one effect option. Here we selecting motion paths. In that we will select funnel effect. That funnel effect will be given to the SV Union High School and Junior College that text, and it will move like funnel when we play it on a slide show. We can remove any effect. That effect we don't want, we can click on the remove button, then that effect will get removed, which effect gets selected. Also here we can change the speed of an effect. It will come slow, then medium, then fast by clicking on the speed button. In this way we can give the custom animation effect to an objects present on the slide. These are the steps to apply custom animation. We have to click on animation, then we have to select custom animation tab, then we have to select any one object present on the slide, then we have to click on add effect, then we can select any one effect. That effect will be given to that object whatever we selected. Now we're going to see the another effect, that is slide transition. It is an opening effect given to the slide at the time of slideshow. It will get display, means we have to give the effect to the foreground of a slide. That effect is called as a slide transition. This effect we can see when the slide is changing during the slideshow. To apply this effect, we have to click on animations, then we have to select slide. After selecting slide, you can choose any one effect from the above effects. Here you can see so many effects are there. When we see the slideshow, at that time this effect will get display when your slide get changed. It means when the first slide is coming, that effect will come to its foreground. When the second slide is coming, then that effect will come to that slide when it's opening. When the third slide will get display, then its opening will get effect. That effect is called as slide transition effect. We can give transition sound to each and every slide when it get display on the big screen. Then we can give the transition speed slow, medium, fast. We can apply the effect to all the slides. When we click on apply to all button, then that effect will get applied to all the slides. These are the steps to apply slide transition. For that, click on animation, select any slide, select any one slide transition effect. Now we're going to see how to insert music or sound audio files to the presentation. Click on the insert tab, then we have to click on a sound tab. Then from that list we can select sound from file or sound from clip organizer, any one option. When we select, then we getting the different files of sounds. From that files we have to choose any one file, then that sound will get applied to that slide. These are the steps to insert music or sound in a presentation. Click on insert, then click on sound, then select from file or from clip organizer, then you can select any one sound file, then that sound will get applied to the slide. Now we're going to see how to print the presentation. Suppose we need a printout of a presentation. In that time we can take a print, or we select the slides whatever we want in a computer and we can take its printout. When we click on print option, then we getting like this dialog box. In this we can see print what option is here. We getting the 4 options: slides, handouts, notes pages, outline, view. These 4 options we are getting. When we want each slide on a single page to print, then we can select slides option. When we want some more slides, suppose 2 slides, 3 slides, 4 slides, 5 slides, 6 slides on one page, then we can select the handout option. When we want to print note pages which are displayed below the slides, then we can select notes page option. When we want outline view of all the slides, then we can select outline view option to print the outline of all the slides. In the handout option, we can print number of slides on a single page, either horizontally or vertically. For that we have to select first number of slides, then we have to choose the option horizontal or vertical, then according to the option slides get printed on the page as per the number of copies we had given. These are the steps to print slides on a page. First click the file tab, then select print option, then select the option slides or note pages or outline or handout option, then select more options, then select number of copies and then click on OK. Then slides get printed.